Welcome to our HOTBIN Mega assembly video. 2-person assembly is recommended. Step 1. Situate the base on a flat level surface. Step 2. Locate the 2 aeration pipes so the ends are flush with the outer edge of the bin. And push until the pipes pop into place. Step 3. Assemble the 4 walls away from the base, ensuring the recycling logos on the insides of the long walls are the correct way up. Step 4. Position the ratchet strap around the middle like a belt. Thread the end of the strap untwisted through the slot in the metal spool and pull through to remove the slack. Now ratchet the handle back and forth until the strap is suitably tight. Gather up the excess and tuck behind the ratchet handle. Step 5. Lift the assembled walls on top of the base so the interlocking sections align. Push down on the top edge of each wall panel until the walls engage with the base. Step 6. Push down on the lid to secure it in place. Step 7. Wearing gloves, remove the charcoal filter from its compostable packaging and lower it into the lid recess, tucking in the fabric around the edges. Step 8. Fit the raised lid panel first along the front edge, then press down on the back edge to secure it. Fit the thermometer as shown, pushing its point through the filter bag and out the other side. Finally, set the valve to just under a 45-degree angle. Follow these extra steps when building the HOTBIN Mega 700 or adding the expansion kit. Repeat steps 3 and 4, assembling the walls and then securing them using the ratchet strap. Carry over the assembled wall panels to the bin and drop in one of the short edges at an angle, applying downward pressure until it pops into position. Maintain pressure on this wall while pushing down on the top edge of the other panels until they engage with the lower walls. The fit is intentionally designed to be tight. Now replace the lid and have a quick read of the user guide before getting started. We hope you found this video helpful. Obviously, please give us a like or a comment if you've got any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.